Hello students, now today we'll do question number 12, 13 and 14 of exercise 2.2 of chapter linear equation in one variable. Okay, now let's start with question number 12. Now question number 12 is 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. Now what is Ravi's present age? So the first thing that we'll do, we'll let the Ravi's present age. Fine, we have to know the present age first. So let the Ravi's present age be X. Okay, now 15 years from now. Now this is a sentence. See, this is a very important line. 15 years from now. Okay, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be what? Can you just guess? It would be 15x or 15 plus x. Definitely it would be 15 plus x. Okay, so Ravi's age will be x plus 15. So this is age that this will be Ravi's age after 15 years. So according to the sentence, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. So according to the question, what they have said, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be what? 4 times. 4 times means 4 into Ravi's present age. Okay, now this is the equation. Now what is Ravi's age after 15 years? This is x plus 15, isn't it? So we'll write x plus 15. And 4 into what is Ravi's present age? Ravi's present age is x. So it is the required equation, x plus 15 equals to 4x. Okay, now just we have to solve for x. Now what we have to do? We have to transpose this x towards right hand side. So on left hand side we will only have 15. First of all we'll write 4x and then we'll take this x towards this side and it will become minus. So it will give us 15 is equals to 3x. Now this equation can be written as this way also, isn't it? 3x equals to 15. Now finally we have to transpose this 3 towards right hand side, so it will look like 15 by 3. So now reduce it. It will give you 5. So value of x is equals to 5. So what is Ravi's present age then? Ravi's present age is, therefore Ravi's present age is equals to 5 years. Okay, now this is the solution of question number 12 of exercise 2.2. Now let's move on to sum number 13. Sum number 13 is a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2 and then again you add the product by 2 by 3 to the product, they have said you get minus 7 by 12. So what is the number? So first of all, what we let the number be x. Fine. Now according to the question, we'll make an equation first. So the rational number, so we'll consider this as a rational number only. So this rational number when multiplied by 5 by 2, fine, when multiplied by 5 by 2, the product is then added with what? 2 by 3. And when we do this, then we'll get the answer as minus 7 by 12. This is your required equation. Now just we have to solve it. Now what is the product of x into 5 by 2? Now x is carrying 1 as a denominator. So numerator with numerator will multiply. That is 5x. And 2 ones is what? 2, isn't it? Plus 2 by 3 is equals to minus 7 upon 12. Okay. Now this plus 2 by 3 will take to the right hand side. Okay. So it will look like 5x by 2 equals to minus 7 upon 12 minus 2 by 3. Okay, now we'll solve the right hand side first. That is, first of all, what we have to do? We have to find the LCM of 12 and 3. So LCM of 12 and 3 would be 12. Now when we divide this 12 with this 12, we'll get 1. and this 1 we have to multiply with this numerator. So 1 into minus 1 will give you minus 1 only. Now 12 again divided by 3 will give you 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, now we'll solve this. 5x by 2 minus minus is plus. 8 plus 7 is 15. Which number is greater? 8. It is carrying minus sign, so we'll give minus sign here and we'll write the denominator, that is 12. Now we have to take this 2 also and 5 also towards this side, because we have to get the value of x, isn't it? Okay, so x would be equals to, now 2 will be multiplied with 15 and 5 will be multiplied with 12. So it will get 2 and 5 will be multiplied with this 12. Now, sorry, this is 5, yes. Now, we'll reduce this. 5 under 5, 5 3s are 15, okay? And 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Again, we can cancel these two numbers, that is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So finally we'll get the answer as x equals to minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so this is your required answer. Okay, I hope you all have understood this sum. Now let's move on to sum number 14. Now question number 14 we have, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. Fine. Now she has currency notes of denomination rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. Okay, the ratio of the numbers of these notes is 2:3:5. Fine. So the total cash that Lakshmi is having is 4 lakh rupees. Now how many notes of each denomination does she have? That means how many notes of 100 rupees she is having, how many notes of 50 rupees she is having, and how many number of notes of 10 rupees she is having. Okay, so this is the question, but all the notes are given in the ratio form, that is 2:3:5. So the first thing that we have to do, let the number of 100 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes be 2x, okay, and let the number of 50 rupees notes be, that is 2:3. Now it will be 3x, and finally let the number of 10 rupees notes be 5x. Fine. So we have to get the value of x, then only we can say how many number of 100 rupees notes are there, how many number of 50 rupees notes are there, and how many numbers of 100 rupees notes are there. Okay, now these are the number of notes. Now what is the value? Now according to the question, if there are 2x of 100 rupees notes, then what is the value of 100 rupee notes then? Then we have to multiply this 2x with 100. So this is the value price of 100 rupee notes. And so what is the value price of 50 rupees notes? There is how many notes are there of 50 rupees notes? That is 3x. So the value money would be 50 into 3x, and number of 10 rupee notes we are having as 5x. So what is the value of 10 rupee notes? That is 5x into 10, and if you add all those three values, then you will get the sum would be equals to 4 lakh rupees. Okay, so what is the product of the first one? It will be 200x. The product of the second one would be 150x, and the product of the last one would be 50x. This would be equals to 4 lakh. Okay, now let's add it up. Now 200x, 350x plus 50, it will be 400x. 400x equals to 4 lakhs. So what was the value of x? Obviously we have to transpose this 400 towards right hand side. 1 2 3 4 5 divided by 400. Let us first reduce the zeros first. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 thousands are. So x is equals to 1000. Now we can easily find how many 100 rupees notes are there, how many 50 rupee notes are there, and how many 10 rupees notes are there. So number of 100 rupees notes, number of rupees 100 notes that would be equals to what? 2x, isn't it? So 2x means 2 into 1000. That means 2,000 notes of 100 rupee notes are there. And number of rupees 50 notes, that would be equals to 3x. And 3x means 3 into 1000, isn't it? 3 into 1000 will give you how many notes? 3000 notes of 50 rupee notes. Rupees 50 notes. And number of rupees 10 notes, that will give you 5x. That is 5 into 1000, 5000 notes. So that means number of rupees 10 notes is 5000. So this is combined to give you the answer. Fine. So number of 100 rupee notes is 2000, number of 50 rupee notes is 3000, and number of 10 rupee notes is 5000. Okay, I hope you have found it easy. So that's it for all, and that's it for today. So tomorrow we'll solve the rest of the two questions, I guess, 15 and 16. Okay students, till then, take care and God bless you all.